Hi friends, Professor Joe here. I hope you all are doing great. Now, I have over 10 years of experience in trading, especially in the Forex market. I have done a lot of mistakes while learning to trade, but eventually I have become a successful trader. All these videos that I'm creating is out of my own experience and learnings, what I have learned from the markets while trading. In this video, we are going to understand how simple it is to find a pullback and trade a pullback in the markets. So let us see what are the important things you should consider while going for a buy trade in a pullback strategy. Like you can see on the screen, this is how a pullback setup looks like. But there are around 7 to 8 important things that you should consider before entering into a trade. So what we will do is we will understand what are the important things to consider while entering into a pullback trade, and again come back to this drawing to understand whether all the aspects are covered or not. The first important thing is there has to be a clear uptrend, clear higher highs and clear higher lows. The next is you have to look for a retracement. Now you can look at the charts and directly look for retracement or use Fibonacci retracement. The indicator is easily available on the charts. So you can use that or you can draw your own lines. In Fibonacci, mostly 38.2, 50 and 61.8 percentage are the most favorite retracement areas that a trader looks for. Next, look for areas where the price has broken a previous resistance and now has got converted into a support area. Also in the support area, look for bullish candlestick patterns. Look for bullish candlestick pattern. Now we have discussed bullish candlestick patterns in our previous videos. So if you don't understand what is a bullish candlestick, look for my previous videos. You will get the updates on that. This way you will also have a look at my previous video. At the same time, when you see a bullish candlestick, check the volume. Is it high or is it low? A good trade will come out of high volumes. Now the support area can be in multiple ways. It can be a trend line, it can be a support zone, it can be a dynamic support and resistance created because of a moving average. So there are multiple reasons where you can get a support zone from. At the same area, look for an RSI or stochastic which is in an oversold position. So when all these confluence happen together, like the RSI is oversold, the volume is high, it's at a good support area. In an uptrend, it is at a pullback. There is a bullish candlestick pattern. Then this confluence of indicators clearly shows that's a perfect entry point for a buy trade in a pullback strategy. The next important thing before entering into a trade is your risk. Now remember, there is no strategy that is 100% guaranteed. There are chances, even after checking all these things, your trade can go in a loss. So make sure you do not risk too much, maybe 1%, 2%. There are traders who start with 0.5% also. It is always better to be safe and trade with lesser infusion so that you are alive in the market for a longer period to earn money out of the markets. To put your stop loss, either you can use the support zone or you can use ATR, average true range, and put like 1.5 times or 2 times of the ATR just to be safe. But a stop loss is a must while trading. Now let us look at this snapshot and I'm sure you will understand. You can see a clear uptrend you can see higher highs and higher lows. You can see a clear break of resistance and a new support has been created. You can see a wonderful bullish candlestick pattern that has been created. You can see that the volumes are high where the bullish candlestick pattern is there. You can also see that the RSI is reached the oversold position. And when you see all these things coming together, you can go for your buy trade by infusing 1% or 2%. This is how simple it is to trade a pullback strategy. Do not get confused. Make sure that all these things are there in place before you enter for your buy trade. If you follow these rules, surely you will become a successful trader. I cannot guarantee you that all the trades will be positive, but I can guarantee you that in long term you will become a successful trader if you follow your rules. This is another way that you can look for a pullback strategy. This is using moving average. This is called as dynamic support area. This is another strategy which you can use using trend lines or trend line zones to go for the buy in pullback strategy. This is another strategy that you can use using Fibonacci retracement for a buy trade using pullback strategy. So like you have seen different methods in which you can use the pullback strategy to go for a buy trade in a bullish trend. What are the most important areas? What are the most important indicators that you have to have a look at? So we've seen what are the important points for a pullback strategy. We have seen different methods in which you can use your pullback strategy. Finally, friends, becoming a successful trader is all about practice. The more you practice and the rules you follow, you will become a successful trader. I have written a book for fresh traders and for confused traders. The name of the book is Traders You Can Win, but First Learn to Lose. When I say first learn to lose, means learn to take small losses to make big profits in the markets. This book explains pullback strategy, breakout strategy, and the different aspects that are needed for this particular strategy. So if you are interested in the book, you can buy it in Amazon. It's available on Kindle. Now, if you love the content that I am creating, please like and share. So traders who are out there, who are new traders or who are confused traders can get help from these videos and they can learn step by step how to trade. And for more such content on trading, Forex, finance, investment banking, kindly subscribe to my channel. I'll be creating a lot of videos as I go ahead. All I can say is keep learning, keep growing. Thank you. Namaskar.